मैं बड़े ही अदब के साथ उनको आमंत्रित करता हूं कि वे अपना संदेश दें। माननीय नॉर्बर्ट चेयरमैन सर।
Good evening to everybody. I am a place of Father Dijo Francis because as I'm a president of the church. So in place I am present here, and this is the very wonder to see everybody present. There is no caste, there is no religious, there is nothing in the minds. This is the very few we can see. And it is a stun for me because in place of Father I'm standing in front of you all. I can't believe. But the most important what the Islamia is doing this, it is a great to see the love for all religions, the love for all the people who when they are in sickness or whatever there is. In Christian also Christ has taught us there is no caste, there is no caste. You always give love to your neighbors. Neighbors because they are any time of need when we are in trouble. So the love we can spread what Christ has taught us, and there is no religious. The most religious is the person to understand each another, to love each another. And this is the most precious, and I am very grateful to this manch what they called for me in place of Father. I am thankful to everyone to be present here. Thank you, sir.